The EUR-SAM corridor is the portion of airspace over the South Atlantic that links Europe with South America. It sits within the FIRs of Canarias, GCCC, and Cape Verde, GVAC, Dakar Oceanic, GOOO, Brazil Atlântico, SBAO, and Recife, SBRE. Unlike the NAT, which has tracks that change twice daily, the EUR-SAM corridor is more standardized and includes one southbound airway, UN 741, and one northbound airway, UN 866, on the western side, and two bidirectional airways on the eastern side, UN 873 and UN 857. Special consideration should be given to weather forecasts, fuel planning, ETPs and diversion airports, overflight permit requirements, and equipment functionality. The basic equipment requirements are HF radio and an RNP-10 certification. VHF radio alone is not enough. CPDLC, ADSC is a bonus but not compulsory. ACAS, TCAS-2 is required for aircraft over 5,700 kilograms, maximum takeoff weight, or more than 19 seats. Note: RNP-4, CPDLC, ADSC equipped aircraft will often be assigned preferential flight levels by ATC throughout the corridor. ICAO is considering making CPDLC, ADC-C mandatory in the future for all ops through the EUR-SAM corridor, but this is still a long way off yet. Overflight permits are not required for Canarias, GCCC, and Cape Verde, GVAC. However, permits are required for commercial and non-commercial overflights of Dakar Oceanic, GOOO, and Brazil, including Atlântico, SBAO, and Recife, SBRE. The permit approval time is typically 2 to 3 days.